have seen the glass effect of Apple, which was launched in the new update, the iOS 26. I think it was a big innovation. Today I'm making this tutorial that how to make glass effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump in. So add a fusion composition for that. Go in the fusion page, add a background node connected with the media out one, add a merge node inside it, press shift so it can connect it, and add your image. So this is a daytime image. You will need this same image in night time. You can create it with any image generation AI like ChatGPT and prompt it to make it to night time. So go on the merge node and increase the size. You can also do it from the transform node. I will do with the merge. And now plus shift space, add a displace, add a rectangle node here, and another merge plus shift, add it. Okay, so it's connected now. Press connect the merge one with the yellow output of displace node and connect the rectangle node with the green output of displace node. And now connect the rectangle node with the merge to node and connect the displace node with the merge to node. Okay. So our setup is ready to create the glass effect. From rectangle node we can set the shape of our glass effect. So for that, max out the corner radius. I will select width, and now go in the displace node. In offset, set -1 and reflection strength to -4 and spread. So now glass effect is ready. We can also add light in it. It's 3, but I will do it 10. And we can adjust the angle. I do like to 10 because if it's more light, it creates more shadow also. So it gives a realistic feel. So sin is from this side, so I will add light this side. So now I will animate this effect, glass effect. So for this, I'm going to first set the width to just a ball. I will do it as a ball. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames forward and do it like this, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and do it like this. So it will feel a little bouncy. I will adjust the height also. Add a keyframe for that also. On the 5th frame, increase the height. On the 10th frame, decrease the height. So it will feel more realistic and bouncy. It's looking something like a pop-up. If you want to give it more realistic feel, so make them smaller. Now it will be good. It's looking something like a pop-up. After it, I will make some space. Okay. And copy this all. Command C, Command V. Okay. I will press shift and place it here. Our merge 2 is not placed, so I will press shift. Okay, it's placed now. And I will delete the background node. and I will connect the rectangle, the same things. I will connect the rectangle with the merge and displace with the merge. And by the way, we do not need this media in one. And now I will click this rectangle node and click this button which resets it. Okay. So now max out the corner radius because I'm going to make it a ball. And the height. Drag it to here, somewhere here. And I want to animate this also. I will take it to 0 frame and decrease the width and add a keyframe. Go in the 5th frame, increase the width, and on the 10th frame, somewhere here, make it a ball shape. So it's looking something like this. It's good. Now I will add a blur node and disconnect these both. Now connect the merge with the blur node and the blur node with the displace node. Now I can make it blur. Make it the blur size this much, and I will change the fast Gaussian to palette. So now add another merge node here. Okay, add your nighttime image and connect it with it. Right now go in the merge, increase its size, and blend it. Now I will add the sun herein. I will make some space, add a merge node, add a transform node. By the way, I do not need a transform node. If you want to use it, so you can connect it with the merge node. I will control it from here only. Okay. Now add another merge. Add a moon PNG. Connected with the merge 5, and I will control it from the merge only. Decrease its size and move it here. And we can also make it like, I will make it smaller right now. See, and I will make this my sun bigger. Sorry, the sun is here. So select the merge and increase the size. Now we have to move the rectangle, which is this circle. And I will add keyframe on the 5th node. And till 30. So it's like a slow smooth transition. So I will take it to here. So when it was here, as it will go here, I would like to decrease its size of the media in 3. Select the merge, and from here to where it goes here, I will decrease its size. And I will select this, make it more smaller. So when it will be ready to come here, I will make the size of the media in 5. I will go in the merge node, add a keyframe, go to 30 and increase its size. So it's looking something like bigger and smaller. This is good. Select the rectangle and open the spine. Select this and turn off this width. And so I will select this all. Okay, and I will press S so it smooth out. Now close the spine. Okay, now it should be more smoother. Right now it's not rendered, so it's like lagging. So I will now go in here where we placed on night time, and when the ball will start moving from here, I will add the keyframe of blend and move it to 30. Okay, and I will blend it out whole. So our result is looking something like this. So I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, share the videos with others, and if it was useful, hit the like and subscribe button. Till then, bye bye.